this is very typical of a urban front garden. This is a bungalow in the deserts of Arizona. It doesn't make a difference. The layout is still very typical. There's a route to the front door direct from the road. There's a flat open space that could be lawn or could be, in this case, stones. There's very little to conceal your windows. You've got nothing to look at from the inside out. And in this instance, the customer wanted to create a journey through the garden. And we were going to have to use raised berms, which are raised mounds of moisture retentive soil so that we could plant things in them. But what I wanted to explain was the use of height 3D. So in this instance, if we create an entrance to the garden, we're creating vertical height further away from the house. That gives us an entrance and a way to walk through into the garden. It also helps provide us with a little bit of privacy from the windows looking out once we've grown plants over the pergola. So if I show you then that we can plant onto these raised berms, because we've got more moisture underneath this membrane with soil, we can use slightly bigger plants and maybe some flowering plants as well. But there's still a bit of an open gap between the pergola at the entrance and the house. We've still got a flat open space. So again, elevating and using a three-dimensional height will allow us to put another pergola in there, which again provides a little more additional privacy from the road. But it also gives you something to look through when you're looking out from your house as well. So if I now add in the paths that we created, and you can see the berms that we put in to plant in, then putting these pergolas in, we've now got a route in. We've got some pathways to walk around the garden. And then if I add the plants, you wouldn't have believed that you could get quite such a flower garden in such a flat two-dimensional space.